Hello and welcome to Angular 7, a quick start guide. My name is Vinod and I'll be the instructor for this training. If you are searching for Angular on Google, you will see two links. One says angular.io and the other one says angularjs.org. First, let's have a look at AngularJS. And here it mentions that this site and all its content are referring to AngularJS version 1.x. If you are looking for the latest Angular, please visit angular.io. For all practical purposes, you can consider this AngularJS is something that people don't use anymore. So let's go to the angular.io. Now here it says one framework, mobile and desktop. Before I go any further, let me scroll to the bottom. And it says here super powered by Google and licensed under MIT style license. Of course, there are a few other information such as latest version says 7.2.6. Angular is created by a team of developers in Google. What they say here is you can develop across all platforms, whether it is mobile, web or desktop. Has a good speed and performance. Just to show you, I go to my website vinod.co and you can see that it loads pretty fast. And I can switch between a page here by clicking on this, and you can see that also has been loaded very fast. I can go to another link and it loads fast. And just to show you, I go back to the home page and let me go to view, developer, and I go to developer tools. Let's select network. I click on all and then I reload my page. And as you can see that the entire page is loaded in less than 2 seconds and there are 16 requests. And if I look at only the JavaScript part, all of them are less than 100 kilobytes. And the main content is there in this main.js or main. Whatever the hash number .bundle.js. And that's where our application is there. That means everything coded for this application is there in the main.js. If you look at the CSS, because I am using Bootstrap CSS framework here, that's been bundled into this style.bundle.css. Around 30 kilobytes, that's the maximum file as you can see here. And this is of course a font that I'm using for, I believe this one, technologies change so fast, and that's hardly 600 bytes. So it is definitely faster. There's no doubt about that at all. Incredible tooling. Now, Angular development today has become so easy because of a lot of IDEs and text editors. There are very good commercial editors or IDEs like WebStorm. We would be using what's called Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. And it has a fantastic support for all these IntelliSense that make application development much faster. Of course, loved by millions. It's one of the most popular frameworks in the industry as of today. And any doubts, clarifications you need, you go to Stack Overflow and look for Angular 7, as well as Angular community itself has grown over a period in time, and then you can get all your questions answered. With this done, let's go to the software setup requirements so that we can get coding.